Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today, guys, we're going to be riding around with the helmet on because you never know what kind of dangerous... I didn't click on this video to see some guy in a dirt bike helmet. So anyway, this video is going to be talking about the rough country bed rug, bed mat, whatever you want to call it. I guess it's not a rug at all. It's solid rubber. But it's about that bed mat that I have in the bed of the truck. I'm going to go ahead and take you out there in a minute. I thought I was slipping up. But yeah, so first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and give you a brief overview of if it's good or not. And basically, I'm just going to go ahead and say yes. If you're interested in it and you don't have a bed liner, or even if you do have like a non-spraying bed liner, I guess even a spray-in bed liner, because if you're like me, I lay my fishing poles down across the bed or straight down the bed. And when I had it on metal, they were getting all scraped up and scuffed up on the reels. Obviously, it's not very good for them because I don't have a spray-in bed liner, which even if I had a spray-in bed liner, I guess it's just going to make it even more rough. And if I had a non-spray-in bed liner, just like a drop-in, then it'd probably be even worse. Anyway, so basically what I'm saying is that it's just going to give you that protection. It's about this thick probably, which is also the size. So yeah, it's pretty thick. It's not that bad. And you can go ahead and stick your fishing poles in there if that's what you want to do, or if you want to put anything else in there that might be a little bit more delicate versus putting it on something that's rough. It is still a little bit rough, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and jump out in a second and show you that. I found a water bottle. I don't know where that came from, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump out there now and I'll go ahead and show you. All right, so swinging back here, you can see the bed liners, or the bed mat, is pretty thick. Hopefully it focuses here for you. There we go. So the bed mat's pretty thick. It's not too bad for what it is. Like I said, you can see my finger. It's probably about a 1/4 inch or so. It fits pretty nicely. It fits pretty nicely into the corners. Goes up, down, and around. Up there as well, it fits in pretty nicely. I have I got some of these laying on it. Like I said, they slide right in. They haven't chipped like the rubber at all or anything like that. You can see there's like a buildup of dirt from different things in my truck. And like I said, I have my fishing poles in here, so it kind of gives them a little bit of extra protection underneath versus just having the metal where it's just going to scrape them up. You can kind of see even on this reel where it's kind of scuffed it up a little bit. It's kind of blurry, but so you can kind of see on this reel here that it's kind of scuffed up a little bit, but it's not too bad. And same thing with this one, which as I bang it around even more, it's like really scuffed up right there actually. But yeah, you can see that it just kind of scuffs them up. So the nice thing about having this thing, it kind of keeps it secure and keeps them a little bit more safe. And like I said, it's pretty much rubber, but it's pretty hard, almost like plastic. And then you got this guy over here, the bag, which has been on there. I'm going to be having a review of that, an updated review probably coming in the coming days. But yeah, so overall, I would go ahead and say that if you're looking at this and you're thinking, hey, I might want this. I keep my fishing poles in the bed, or I keep anything that might be like slightly, if you're keeping anything that might be like precious cargo like that, like where I have fishing poles where they can get scuffed up, banged up, and you don't really want them to, and you want the extra protection, it's definitely going to do just that for you. Like I said, I think the price tag is like $100 for it, so it's definitely something that I would recommend if you're looking for that kind of thing. Yeah, so if you got any information from this video, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, or click that like button first. Make sure you click that like button to help me out in the YouTube algorithm. Comment any questions you have down below, and of course subscribe to stay up to date with future content. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.